Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for June 28th. Currently looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed lower today, on Friday. We are looking for this pair to potentially move as high as 96.73, possibly as low as 94.32. Look for some resistance around 95.50 and look for some support around 94.86 in this particular pair. This pair is moving sideways, but definitely has a bias to the downside. Taking a look at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed up during Friday's session, but is moving sideways overall, bias sideways. Looking currently for this pair to move possibly as high as 142.19, possibly as low as 138.88. Now look for some resistance around 14100 and possibly look for some support around 140.14 in this particular pair. Now switching to the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair closed up on Friday, definitely still moving sideways. Can't believe that we've had so many sessions in a row within such a tight range with the pound. This did occur last year, if you recall, prior to a very, very large breakout. I don't know if we can take a look at that or not. I don't know. See if we can find it. The pair just moved sideways. Here it is. It was in 07, sorry, right here, and it was prior to a very large or a fairly large move to the upside. So definitely keep an eye on this particular pair. Let's zoom in again and take a look at what we are looking for. Looking for this pair to possibly move as high as 166.83, possibly as low as 162.41. Look for some resistance around 166.00 and look for some support around 164.64 in this particular pair. Now switching to the US Swiss, this pair dropped on Friday, closed lower, still moving sideways, biased to sideways. Look for it to potentially move as high as 110.32, possibly as low as 107.14. Look for some resistance around 108.63, possibly look for support at 1.0763. Well, we don't have any news announcements for tomorrow. Nothing significant coming out during this next session. We do have the US-Canadian dollar pair created a swing trade on during Friday's session. Look for a short below 114.53. If we get a break below that, look for it to come back to this support level. At that point, you got about 103 pips between the two. You could definitely look for it to move to that level. If we get a break at that point, you may want to take this session's low though. If we tag that low, go ahead and move to break even at that point and look for it to continue its move down to this point. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.